Recording.
All right, good morning. We are in Cherokee, North Carolina at the BP gas station. And we're about to head into the National Forest, Smoky Mountain National Forest. That was polite of me to let them across. Someday I'm going to try that Peter's place. Someday you guys need to try that Peter's place. It's got to have good food because that place is always packed, always packed. And again, I know, why would you go to a pancake house? Pancakes are like the cheapest thing on the planet to make. You could feed your family pancakes for $1 at home. The syrup costs more than the pancakes. Anyways, so this is week 3 to come check out the elk. I've had so much fun alone the last 2 weeks that today my wife and Roland decided they're coming. So I got my wife on the back and I got Roland behind me. And watch, I bring them out to see the elk and the bears, and there won't be either. It is a beautiful morning though. This light's never going to change. Heavenly Fudge Shop. I need to hit that place. Heavenly Fudge Shop. Okay. Next Wednesday we go to Heavenly Fudge Shop. No, I'm not going to make it that long. I'm off Friday, so maybe Friday I'll do this route in reverse and hit Heavenly Fudge Shop. I don't know about that because, and I don't want to go through the Great Smoky Mountains when it's daylight, when it's 11, 12 o'clock. Look how much traffic there is. It's 8:55, 5 minutes to 9, and there's already this much traffic in the Great Smoky Mountains. All right, no elk here. And my wife had told me while we were standing back there at the BP gas station having a Red Bull, she told me that they're going to open up hunting the elk and do a lottery so you can come here and hunt elk. See the turkeys out there? There's 4 turkeys out there in the field. If that's the only wildlife we see today, I'm going to be very disappointed. I really want to see the elk and see how big their antlers are a week later. The antlers were getting pretty tall last week. I've seen this parking lot just completely packed before. There's just, man, I don't get it. And I guess maybe the Marine Corps ruined me, I don't know. But if I never hike or camp ever again in my entire life, I'm good. I'm good. Dude, I'm good. If I never have to sleep on the ground again, walk to a destination, no thank you. It recently rained in our national forest. The gray clouds are supposed to be gone by now. Oh. Man. I almost popped around this car, but I've already seen one park ranger. So I know there's a park ranger here today, and I do not want to meet him. And they do drive white trucks. For some reason, park rangers don't like it when you ride through the national forest and enjoy yourself. They want you to act like a Harley rider in the national forest. 15, 20 mile an hour below the speed limit. Where are my elk at? Where are they? This is depressing. Little tiny bit sad. It feels like we're going to ride to the top of the mountain and be in a rain cloud, but I hope that's not true. I watched the radar last night, and all the rain clouds are supposed to dissipate by about 3 a.m. I'm thinking one forgot to follow the Weather's Channel's orders and just dumped itself out up here on 441. But it's blue skies above us. It's just wet roads under us. But I'm sitting on top of Pilot Road 5s, so we'll be okay.